Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me.
Now the topic is Trump links Greenland threat to Nobel Prize snub. See, the headline says Trump links Greenland threat to Nobel Prize snub. This means Donald Trump, US President, is angry that Norway did not give him the Nobel Peace Prize. And he hinted that because of this, he may stop caring only about peace, which means that is the reason why he's been creating this chaos and instead do what he thinks is best for US interest. One of those interests is Greenland. Alright, so he indirectly threatened to take control of Greenland even if it upsets the Europe. And basically, if we don't get recognition for peace, I'll openly play power politics. That's what he said. So the first question is, what exactly is Greenland? See, Greenland is world's largest island. It is geographically near North America and politically controlled by Denmark, which is a NATO country. Alright, you need to remember this. And it has very few people but huge strategic value. Now, why is Greenland so strategically important? See, there's military security. The biggest reason is Greenland lies between USA, Europe and Russia, and it is right in the Arctic region, which is becoming the new battlefield for global powers. The US already has major military base, which is the Thule Air Base in Greenland. And if the US controls Greenland, it can monitor the Russian missiles, control Arctic air and sea routes, strengthen NATO's position as well. Alright, so Arctic sea routes, which are the future trade power. See, due to climate change, ice in the Arctic is melting. New shorter sea routes are opening. This means faster trade between Asia, Europe and America. Whoever controls Greenland has the control over the Arctic shipping. This is like controlling the Suez Canal for the future. Third is the natural resources and rare earths. Greenland has oil, natural gas, uranium, rare earth minerals which is used in mobile phones, missiles, electric vehicles, satellites, etc. China currently dominates the rare earth supply, but US wants Greenland to reduce dependence on China, secure resources for future technology and defense. Fourth is the great power rivalry. US versus Russia versus China. This is the great power rivalry that we all know. And Russia is expanding military bases in the Arctic. China calls itself a near Arctic state. US doesn't want to lose the influence. Greenland becomes a chessboard square in global geopolitics. Now, diplomatic and international law angle is also there. Greenland belongs to Denmark, a sovereign nation. Forcibly taking it would violate international law, break UN principles and damage the unity of NATO. That's why Europe is angry and worried. Nobel Peace Prize angle is that, see, why is it mentioned? Nobel Peace Prize is awarded by Norwegian institutions. Trump feels he stopped the wars, made peace deals, but didn't get recognition. His message implies that if diplomacy doesn't reward me, I'll use power. This shows a shift from idealism to realism in foreign policy. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic. So this is highly relevant for GS paper 2, which is international relations, GS paper 3 for climate change, and for essay also this becomes highly important.
And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.